everyone, welcome back on my channel. If you are new here, so this is Makeup Depot. We are going to learn easy, beautiful, dewy makeup look and some helpful tips. We will start our makeup first with skin prep. I had already done my skin toning behind the camera. You can use rose water instead of toner here. I am applying creamy moisturizer because my skin is dry to normal type of skin. We will use under eye cream also for hydration. This is from Estee Lauder. Here I am using Color Bar Illuminator Lotion for getting shiny glowing base. Primer most important for making a smooth long lasting base, as well as primer will be bug as protection of your face. This primer from Makeup Studio, and this is all skin type of primer. You can keep it in your vanity. Here we will use a liquid creamy product for getting a dewy finished look. I am hiding my all dark circle or uneven skin tone with help of cream color corrector. I did not take brighter orange shade for hiding my all problems. I just took a shade with orange tint in concealer. Here I am applying foundation from LA Girl. This foundation should be in your vanity because it gives flawless, glowing, shiny, hydrated and long lasting effect, and shade is fair. I applied only a layer with help of flat brush. You can use directly beauty blender if you did not use any type of correction on your face, then you will get more natural look. Here we will use concealer on all highlight point. This concealer from LA Girl, and I am blending this concealer with help of PAC concealer blending brush. After that we will use a darker foundation. I choose a darker foundation. I am not using here any type of contouring stick or contouring. I just take a darker foundation for enhance our face feature and cutting our all face feature. And after that we will use a lip or cheek tint or any kind of blush all over cheeks and little bit nose. And after that we will apply highlighter, liquid highlighter, and this highlighter from Revolution. This is very good highlighter. And don't forget set your under eyes with help of compact powder. This compact from Key Beauty. This is very good compact. So we will fill our brows with help of any type of brown eyebrow filler. Okay, now it's turn of eye makeup. I concealed eyelid with Sage Beauty concealer, and I'm creating a light crease line. This is going to be very easy cut crease eye makeup. Then we will take one more darker shade from same family, and we will apply this shadow from a little below the first color, and we will pull and create a blended line toward the outer side of eyelid. And here we will apply shimmery eyeshadow all over lid, and we will apply mascara. I did not wear liner today. If you want, so you can definitely wear liner. We will set and hydrate our base with help of MAC Pre Plus Prime. We will finish this look with lipstick or lip liner. So I applied a darker lip liner, and I'm using a nude shade of my Glam Creamy lipstick. So finally we achieved this beautiful look. If you will follow all steps, then you can definitely achieve this beautiful dewy makeup look. I hope you love this look. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.